God is good. Verse 12 said that fruit trees of all kinds will grow on both banks of the river. Their leaves will not wither, nor will their fruit fail. Every month they will bear fruit, because the water from the sanctuary flows to them. Their fruit will serve for food, and their leaves for healing. In the days of Ezekiel, the temple was in shambles, and they felt like God was gone. But at the height of their hopelessness, desolation, and despair, God sent the prophet with a message of restoration, renewal, revival, and healing. He envisioned a new temple, out of which came a river that brought life where death dominated the environment. That was back in Ezekiel's day. But Bethel, just as God was not finished with Israel, Advent reminds us that God is not finished with us. Because over 2,000 years ago, when God looked down from heaven and saw the broken condition of humanity, he didn't look away. He entered into our struggle in the person of Jesus the Christ. He came not to condemn the world, but to save it.